Okay, let's see. Oh!
You drop it too many times and it'll break.
This will be a carpet bombing mission, I think.
I got a Christmas tree.
We don't turn the paddle fan on when they're running.
Yeah, that's probably a real good idea.
Cool. And they're acrylic, so you couldn't kind of
Yeah. But this is that puppy paint.
Well, he's got it spinning around real well.
Yeah, yeah, cool.
This is white. And gold.
Oh my.
And
I like the flashing bulb in the head of the remote.
actually a low hot orchid.
Oh, wait a minute. That's infrared, so you can't see it, but the camera can.
And silver.
I'd have expected them to be radio controlled.
Golden brown.
Fun.
Oops. Well, that didn't work.
Well, you lost a battery, but it's still working. How does that work?
God, I put the cover back on it.
You better do that.
Terry is whack and unwrap orange.
Okay.
It's a chocolate flavored orange, and you have to whack it. I'm really anticipating this.
You just got to work yourself up to the
I don't
moment,
know which
huh?
side I'm supposed to, if it's supposed to be sticker side or flat side.
I think it's either way. I think you can do it either way. Let's see what you got. Something's smoking in here.
A little bit, yeah. Probably the coffee maker.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it's probably the oven getting ready to catch on fire. Did it work?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it worked.
Okay, where am I going to put this?
So now I have chocolate orange pieces.
There you go. Alright, these two wizards have been playing with these helicopters, and right now they're doing reconnaissance missions in the kitchen.
We're picking up goods and dropping off goods.
More dropping off than picking up, I think.
Charge your camera.
That's not a zoom lens, it's getting closer. Hey, this is an expensive precision instrument. You're a little too good at flying that there, Chief.
Yeah. Target acquired.
And lock lost. Oh man.
Payload lost.
That's right, back away. These things use infrared control, but it's pretty wide range. You know how much fun you could have with one of those in a house cat? Junk! Hey, watch the handy cam. Oh, now there's two of them.
You know what these things remind me of?
Kamikaze pilots?
No, they remind me of a bumblebee. Going from flower to flower.
More bumble than bee in this case.
Oops.
I'm just waiting for one of them to go over here and go bloop right in the gravy. We already had a little fridge mission.
Don't tell anybody that, because then they'll try to do it.
We've had a casualty, it seems.
You give me a haircut.
What I was going to say was that hobbies and stuff, where do you think people got the idea for trying to design these things? After all, man would love to be able to fly like a hummingbird.
Well, go on.
I think my battery's done.
Oh, you ran out of battery power? Oh, now it's up too high where I can't get it. Whoa! This is why man was not meant to fly right here, folks. Okay, just a second.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
That's a stove.
That sure was. We know where the enemy's hiding. Ow!
I don't like you.
Oh, he's got his going
Yeah,
again.
but it's not creating the necessary lift.
Well, give it some time to charge. You know, I think we may have finally found something that beats the barcode wand for entertainment.
Get away from the mashed potatoes.
It'd be really cool to get like a bucket on your helicopter and dip it in the gravy.
Oh, you keep that up, you may get to dip it in the gravy.
I'm gonna go grab another one. I'll be right back.
Once it hits something, it's just done.
Pretty much, yeah.
Can I lift the rug?
No, oh, you can a little bit.